What's up everyone, my name's Tom. I'm a former engineer who quit his job to solve a problem that's bigger than myself. I'm someone who's very passionate about fitness, so I decided to tackle a problem in the fitness space. I'm building the next big online fitness coaching platform. It's called PRFRM, and it's solving a problem that many online coaches face. If you're an online coach, you might be paying for a school community, a trainerized subscription for your client periodization. You might be paying for a nutrition tracking service. And on top of that, you might be running a Facebook page for community updates and messaging your clients on WhatsApp to get check-in results or just chat with them. PRFRM is being built to put an end to this. Stop paying for multiple subscriptions. Let's put it all in one place. One fitness platform to run an entire coaching business. Let me show you how it works. So PRFRM is built around community. If you go on school, you can see there's so many online coaching businesses that are performing very well. If you build your coaching offer around community and offering educational resources, your business will perform so much better. When your clients load into your community page, they land in a home feed. Think of it like a private Instagram or Facebook page just for your community. This is really where the magic happens. You can post updates to your clients can interact with each other and can share achievements they've hit. And overall, this makes your clients feel more engaged and feel like they're getting more value. And on your client side, it feels like they're scrolling through a feed. They're gonna see posts from you and other members, which will give them a sense of belonging and overall keep them more engaged in the long term. In the Learn tab, you can post educational resources that will help your clients succeed in their fitness journeys. This might not be the main thing they're purchasing through your coaching offer, but it adds so much more value to their program. And I'm sure as a coach, you have plenty of educational resources that you can offer your clients that will make your coaching offer so much stronger. From the client's perspective, they can go through these courses lesson by lesson, and the coach can always stay up to date with where they're at. So now we get to how we differentiate ourselves from just a standard community platform like school. We have integrations, exercise manager, workout planner, block planner, and this is where you can make your clients training periodization and assign it to them. With the block planning workflows, you can build full training programs and assign them to your clients with ease. Gone are the days of making Google Sheets where your client's at the gym going like this to figure out what their prescription is, or you're sending them PDF documents of their program, which they can't even use to log their workout. This isn't the standard format that should be used for coaching, and with PRFRM, we're trying to address that. Once a block is assigned to their client, they can see all the events populated in their calendar, and they can open up these events to see what is prescribed to them for a given day. With our app, they can also log their workout and track their progression over time. We pay attention to detail. We have all these little features. For example, we have a placeholder that shows your previous week's performance for the same exercise. This will help you progressively overload. We have tools that will allow you to easily convert units from pounds to kilos. Have you ever been at the gym using a pin-loaded machine, only to realize that the weight is in pounds, but you train in kilos? With PRFRM, you can enter 72 pounds into our smart unit input field, and it will automatically convert it to your unit of choice. For example, here, 72 pounds will get converted to kilos automatically. Your training logs don't go unseen. Your coach will be able to keep up to date with how you're performing over time, and you'll be able to get visualizations of how you're performing better as an athlete. Nutrition logging is built into the platform. We give coaches flexibility to choose between different styles of programming nutrition. You can make a meal menu where you can prescribe different meal options for each meal of the day to your client. You can do a traditional meal plan where you plan out every day of eating for the week. Or you can do an if it fits your macros approach where you give them a macro and calorie target and they can log their food against that. Right now we're using a library of around 1 million foods, and this will continue to grow. On the client side, they can choose to drop in suggestions from the meal plan, or they can scan barcodes or search to add foods to their meal log. As a coach, you'll be able to see your client's adherence to the meal plan, and you'll be able to keep track of what they're eating every day. We know that data is important in the fitness coaching space. That's why we integrated Strava with our platform. Clients who might use the treadmill or Stairmaster for basic cardio, or running or endurance athletes can log their workouts through our platform with ease. When they connect Strava for the first time, they can backfill their past history, which will allow the coach to see what they've been doing in the past. Every time you complete a new activity with Strava, we'll be able to see that, and you can automatically assign that to different events. It's as simple as one click, and your coach will be able to see your performance and your progress. We have messaging built into the platform, whether it's individual one-on-ones or group chats with your clients. Here you can share images, videos, PDFs, or just chat in general. And this means that you don't have to bounce around apps anymore, and it makes sure you don't lose track of where you've sent your client different things. Maybe you emailed them their program and you sent one thing to WhatsApp. We don't want that. We put it all in one place using the PRFRM platform. Check-ins are an important part of coaching. You can create custom check-ins with any questions you like and at any desired frequency for your client. And once you assign that check-in template to the block, the client you assign the block to will be able to see that check-in in their calendar at the frequency that you've assigned it. If you assign health metrics such as sleep duration, weight, HRV, and things like this to the check-in, these will also be populated in the client's dashboard so they can see trends over time for their health metrics. And you'll be able to see these too, of course. Clients can upload check-in photos and you can compare photos to see how they're progressing over time. I've been building Perform for the last 7 months and right now we're looking to scale. I'm looking for your feedback as a coach, so I'm onboarding founding coaches who will get a special offer with an extended free trial. One of the benefits of being a founding coach is that you'll get my WhatsApp number and you'll be able to directly contact me about any features you think the platform's lacking or any improvements that you need to run your coaching business better. Right now, I work on Perform 7 days a week. Whenever I'm not sleeping or in the gym, I'm probably working on Perform. So you can be assured that this platform is going to be great. Founding coaches have already shaped many features that you will see in the platform. For example, the nutrition integration I described before, a coach asked for that, and 5 days later, we had it in the platform. We're not some massive company where if you have a request, it goes into a ticketing system. You're working with me directly, so that means I'm not going to ignore your feedback. You're working with the person who built the app directly. If you're interested in working with me, the link is in the description, and you can also contact me on my Instagram, Tom Goes Raw. That's Perform, one platform and everything you need as a coach in one place. If you have any questions about this, drop a comment below. I'll be reading every single one. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting more insights about the app and more insights into my everyday life as a solo founder building a fitness platform. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.